University of Mysore, in association with Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company, has designed a rapid COVID-19 detection kit. Announcing this at a press conference on Monday, former Vice Chancellor of University of Mysore, Professor K.S. Rangappa, and Vice Chancellor Professor G. Hemant Kumar said that the kit has been developed in association with Lauren Biologics Private Limited. The research team consisted of Dr. S. Chandranayak, Coordinator of Vignan Bhavan, and Dr. C.D. Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of Studies in Molecular Biology, University of Mysore. In RT-PCR tests, the infection in some patients could not be detected. Therefore, the need was to develop a kit that can detect all mutated variants of the virus. The kit is expected to be available at an affordable cost since it has been developed by a state university. It is currently being sent to ICMR New Delhi seeking emergency approval.